Hey everyone, it's Kelly here with She Learns Video, and today I'm going to be showing you 4 tools that you might want to invest in if you're just getting started with video in order to stabilize your camera. So I utilize all 4 of these tools pretty consistently in my own business, and they provide beautiful smooth footage for any project that I'm working on. So let's jump in. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about is the camera strap. And this is a cloth camera strap. It's a little bit stretchy. I love this model from Capturing Couture, which I know is kind of a fancy name for a pretty simple camera strap, but they do come in fun colors. You can choose that. They also have a pocket where you can store your keys or a credit card when you're on the go. And the way that I use it is I will put it around my neck, and then I'll wrap the ends of the camera strap and hold it tight as I'm panning back and forth, or really just trying to stabilize my camera additionally rather than just shooting handheld. So I think that it's something that everyone should invest in early on in their filmmaking journey. I really think it's a great tool. It's super affordable and something that you should have in your kit when you're just getting started. The next tool I want to share with you is my Monopod. I utilize this Manfrotto Monopod at a lot of different events and weddings whenever I need to be quick on my feet and have that extra layer of stability for shooting. The reason I love this monopod is it has these nice feet on the bottom that give me the ability to stabilize my camera, and they also have this nice fluid head on top of this model that gives me the ability to pan side to side and then up and down, which I just love. I think it adds great movement to your camera while also stabilizing it and providing really smooth footage. I think that a monopod is something that every new filmmaker should invest in, especially if you're going to be using it at weddings or busy events. So anytime I'm doing corporate work, I'll have it on me. Weddings, as I said, is definitely a must-have, and it just provides you a lot of stability while also giving room for creativity and new shots that you can add to your films. So I hope that's helpful, and let's go to the next tool. So the next tool I want to talk about is the tripod. And as photographers, I think most of us have a tripod sitting at home. Maybe it's like in the back of the closet. You don't use it all that often for your photographs, but I think it could be a really great tool when you're getting started with video. It helps to stabilize your camera in certain situations where you might be doing an interview, or if you're at a wedding and you want to have additional camera angles. I really like it for that. Whenever I shoot a wedding, I will set up a camera on a tripod in the back of the ceremony, and it just provides you with really consistent, stable footage. It can be a really safe shot, and I just love it as an additional tool when you're getting started with video. I love that it's a super affordable option for most of us, but I do think that if you're looking to invest in a video tripod, having that fluid head on top of it, like I showed you with my monopod, is a really great option. It will give you more ability to add movement that is stable to your videos. So if you want to pan or tilt, it can be a great option for adding that footage into your films. All right, so the last tool I want to talk about is the gimbal. And I love this tool. You set your camera right here on top, and it stabilizes your camera and provides beautiful footage for all of your films. I have the Zion crane. I love it. It provides all the needs that I'm looking for in a gimbal. It has this little tripod on the bottom that helps me to stabilize it and get it all set up. If I need to set it on the ground between shots, I definitely can. Make sure you set it in a stable location and not like on a hillside, or it will definitely fall over. But I think that it gives you a lot of flexibility and more creativity to your films. This one cost around $350, but there are lots of models out there, so definitely explore and find one that fits your needs. I would recommend it for videographers who have established their brand and are starting to book consistently and can really make that return on the investment. It's not something that I think you need right off the bat when you're getting started with videos. You can definitely start out by utilizing a camera strap or a monopod, tripod even can be a great option. And then when you want to take your films to the next level, invest in a gimbal. Okay, so I hope that was helpful, and I hope you learned a little bit more about how to stabilize your camera and products that you can invest in and get started with when you're just starting out in videography. I think that if you are a beginner, finding a stretchy or cloth camera strap is a great tool that's affordable and easy to get started with. If you are looking to upgrade, you can invest in a monopod. I love my monopod, use it all the time. Perhaps you have an old tripod sitting in the closet, pull that thing out, start shooting some video with it, and then whenever you're ready to upgrade and add those really beautiful shots to your films, I think that a gimbal can be a really nice tool to do that. So I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you did, like, share, subscribe, drop us a comment below, and go to shelearnsvideo.com to join our email list and stay posted on all the fun. Thanks!